This is the clip shift, and it looks something like this. So let's imagine the spectator says stop at a random card. We can just go ahead and leave that card in the center of the pack. However, that card has now been controlled to the top of the deck. If you don't know what the clip shift is, this is what it looks like from an exposed view. I'm taking the bottom card and moving it to the top. So to begin, take about half the deck and hold it in this grip right over here. So I'm holding this with my right thumb in the back, and then my 3 fingers in the front. My index finger will be curled on top. To do the move, my 3 fingers will apply pressure downwards to the face of this card, and it will slide the card over to the right. What I will do is now continue to pull this card off with my ring and pinky fingers by clamping my pinky down over the corner of the card. So see how this corner is now in between the ring and pinky finger. Once the card is in that position, I can then apply pressure downwards with the index finger, and the middle finger will remain on top of this packet as the pinky and ring fingers continue to pull that card up until it clears the packet. Once the card clears the packet, you're going to reposition your index finger so it is on top of that card while you still hold on to the remainder of the packet using your thumb and middle finger. Once your index finger is on top of that card, you can clamp down on it and slide it over to square it up. And then you can release your ring and pinky fingers to further square up the card, and then just get everything squared up like that. And that is the overview of the clip shift. And at full speed, it would look something like this. So the card goes from the bottom and it moves up to the top. So to do the control, I'm going to dribble about half the cards, show the spectator the selection, and my fingers will already be in the position for the clip shift, but I won't begin the move until my hand points down. So now my hand is at the perfect angle to do the move. I will expose it for you here. And once that card goes on top, I can then square up the deck, and it looks like the cards just go right back on top. However, that card is now controlled.